Next thing, go to define load, apply structure, displays, go to force on nodes, select the node 2, and after selecting click OK. It is going to ask what is the load applied in x direction. I want to apply plus 1000 Newton. Go to OK. So load is applied in x axis in 1000. If I get minus, it will be applied on the opposite direction, minus 1000. So after this, the straight away we are the defining of the model, applying boundary condition, everything is completed. Now go to solution. Okay, go to solve current ls. So solution is done. Okay, solution is done. Okay, then close it. Next step is we have to go to post processor. This is post processor part. This is pre-processor solution. Now go to post processor. In post processor, go to element table. In element table, define table. Add the user table. Go to stress. Okay. Define table. Add go to by sequence number. Select linear strain element, give ls1. Okay, then close it. After that, go to close this one, go to plot results, go to contour plot, go to nodal solutions. In nodal solution, go to degree of freedom. So go to x component displacement and find OK. So you can see that this is a nodal displacement which is going to come. Okay, this is the nodal solution which is going to come. Okay, and even you can animate this by, or you can convert this into 3D. Go to plot controls, 3D you can convert by this option style. Go to size and shape, and here display the element you keep on and give OK. So you can see that this is converted into 3D, and press this isometric view. So this is a 3D solution of that bar. Okay, and even you can animate by given. Okay, I will show you next. So next is go to plot results, contour plot. In contour plot, go to element table. So in element table, you have to decide ls1. Okay, so this also you have to give. So otherwise do not give. Okay, average, this gives the non-average results, and if you go to S, and this gives the average results. Okay, and actually this is the stress which is acting. This shows the stress which is acting value is been noted down by this. Okay. This is a user level which is given. Okay, and go to, and remaining is same by sequence number ls. Okay, and close. And this you can delete. close. Now you close this, and yes, this is how. So stress is been seen by going to plot results, uh, contour plot, element table, and select here average. Let's say Excel average. Okay, this gives you the stress value. This is the stress acting in the element. Okay, and for nodal solutions, go to plot results, nodal solutions, DOF, X component, because we are applied on X axis. This is the nodal displacement acting on X and Y axis. Okay, so even you can make the animation ANCNTR. Enter. So you can see the animation of the given bar element like this. Okay, stop. So this is how the result. You can find both the stress and nodal displacement in ANSYS software.